One tiny character, one huge concept. What does the pipe symbol actually do in Linux? The pipe symbol takes everything the left command writes to standard output, stdout, and feeds it directly as standard input, stdin, to the right command. Think of it as a literal pipe connecting two programs. Whatever flows out of the first command stdout pours directly into the second command stdin, forming what's called a pipeline. Here's a classic example, lsl pipe to grep.txt. The ls command writes its file listing to stdout. Pipe hands that directly to grep as stdin, and grep filters for lines containing .txt. Chain further with cat pipe to sort, then to uniq, to count and deduplicate entries. Here's what surprises most people. Both commands launch as separate processes simultaneously, not one after the other. As the first command produces output, the pipe streams it to the second command immediately. No waiting, no temp files. This is what makes pipelines fast and memory efficient even on enormous files. Don't confuse pipe with file redirection. Greater than writes stdout to a file on disk. Pipe sends stdout directly to another process. No file created, pure inter-process communication. Pipe takes stdout from one command and passes it as stdin to the next, running both concurrently. The foundation of composable Linux pipelines. Follow for more Linux essentials. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.